Hello everyone, in this video we will see how you can fix headphone jack not working problem or earphones not connecting problem in your Samsung Galaxy F42. So before you starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are new in this channel. So to fix headphone jack problem in your Galaxy F42 or F42 5G, simply first of all you just need to go to settings application and do the same as I'm showing you in this video and just watch complete video carefully.